Kahii kana karia kerega kugwa kuma muti iguru kaunekire guoko na macungiriro kuneka ciiga itiganite cia guoko gwako kwa motho na gugatiga gathinekanite gatari na uhoti wa kwikira maundu. Thutha wa kugieka kwa ihinda mwihoko wa kwikira maundu hamwe na kwikira nguo ni mucoku thutha wa mandagitari thibitari-ini munene wa Gatundu kumuthinja na gucokia ciiga iria irathukite makimuhe mwihoko wa guthie na mbere na muturire hatari mihinga.
So the surgery we performed was nerve transfer to give him function in the hand. We did a nerve transfer which is a transfer from one nerve that is functioning to the nerve that is not working. So we transferred from the median nerve to the radial nerve and we're able to give him function, so he's able to now raise his hand and also the fingers. And we're also able to do a tendon transfer where we take one tendon that is working and transfer it to what was not working.
Uyu ni mutaratara wa mbere na wa mwanya gutafanio kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Ataramu ya makiuga Kahii gaka karari kigeri-ini gia kuenja guoko kaimana na kuremwo kwikira maundu.
It's the first time surgery of that magnitude is being done in Gatundu level 5 and in Kiambu County public health system. I would like to appreciate the county team through the office of the MedSup, the level, the municipality office manager, Madam Ruth, our medical superintendent, Dr. Catherine Munyendo. So the process has involved a lot of planning and a lot of resources mobilization. And today we finally seen the process go through.
Dagitari wa guthinja mahindi Boniface Mativo ugite ikinya rini rihete Kahii gaka mwihoko akiuga ni ikinya rionanitio kinyaniru wa motungata mathibitari-ini ma Kiambu.
So we are humbled and quite honored to have been given the opportunity to help him get his life. Now we also wish to really thank the very welcoming team at Gatundu level 5 hospital. We have felt fully supported. I think the theatres have run very efficiently.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa muthubari wa Gatundu ikiro cia motungata Kiambu ni ciambatirite na gikiro kinene undu uria ukoretwo ukihotithia ndagitari utabania mitaratara iguru ya urigiti.
We are now able to do a lot more in terms of the services we are offering, and we want to invite Kiambu people, the residents of Kiambu, to seek medical services from Gatundu level 5. Before you proceed to any other facility, pass by Gatundu level 5, see what we have. If we do not have the services you require, we will then refer you to the next level.
Mami wa Kahii gaka macewa ngari akiremwo kuhitha gikeno giake agitariria uria muri uragiika gwikira maundu ta gwikira nguo akiuga ri ni ihumura inene ri kumuhotithio na guthoma hatari na mihinga.
No njokeirie ngatho thibitari ya Gatundu na ndagitari uria treatete Denzel Dr. Mativo na njuge Gatundu niyo the best.
Kuma thibitari-ini munene wa Gatundu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ritwa riakwa ni Mathio Ndung'u.